I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by plugging your guitar into a clean audio interface. Once connected, open GarageBand and create a new guitar or audio project. Make sure the audio input is your interface and set the sample rate to 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz. Then enable monitoring so you hear the signal and adjust the gain until peaks sit around -6 dB to avoid clipping. This first step gets you ready to record with low latency and a clear signal. Don't skip level checks. Once the signal is solid, pick an amp model or use a direct input plus amp simulator for more control. Adjust gain, EQ, and a touch of reverb so the guitar sits in the mix. Next, set tempo and enable a click track to lock timing. Use quick swipe recording to capture multiple takes quickly. Also record a dry, unaffected track alongside the processed one. This gives you a clean backup for reamping or reprocessing later. These choices let you sculpt tone and keep options open for edits. You finish by comping the best takes, trim regions, tighten timing with snap or flex time, and add short fades to eliminate clicks. Once edited, apply gentle compression and subtractive EQ to control mud, then add stereo delay or modulation for width. Compare levels to a reference track to ensure balance. Export in 24-bit WAV for mastering or 16-bit for online demos. If you run into latency or noise, reduce buffer size. Enable low latency mode and check cable grounding to resolve the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.